everybody was working independently a little bit, and sometimes coming together, but just, you know. And it was important somehow to get the momentum going. It's almost like some sort of physics or chemistry lab, that you have to bring some molecules together in order to have a sort of reaction or implosion, or so they can transform into something else. We're doing a bit of alchemy here. Those elements and their energy need to be in the space, in one space possibly, to then have this kind of transformation and development. And
dance is finding a way to embody something that is not material. My brain can say a lot of things, but my body doesn't. So I trust what I feel. And before I didn't know it for the dance.
Contact-Tango is more a feeling than a technique. The more passion feeling from tango you can bring also in the contact impro or in between dances, and it changed so much. I've so often wondered when I go to a milonga in my own city that I get stuck in the figures and so on, and I find it very boring at certain points, even with nice dances. And I go on the floor with in another way, more from the contact starting, and bring that into the dance. I'm not at any point thinking of what to do, and I'm not bored with very simple things, and that makes it more contact tango than, and it's not about lifts for me actually. Then I prefer to dance contact impro. There's more space for the partner to also bring in things, and I can play with that, and that makes a big difference. Yeah, very big difference. Yeah.
This is another dimension, and you feel. For example, I feel the holistic way. Then put away the stress of everyday life and my plans, or it is a new organization in my head. It's something that starts from the heart and arrives to your mind, you know, and you are a new vision of what are you doing.
So both plays, tango and contact improvisation, are pretty rich, and then if you want also to make a fusion of the two, you can go a little bit crazy. It's a lot, you know. What do you use? What you don't use? How? When? But nevertheless, it's they're both partner dance, and they have points of intersection, and we need to just create this nerves network, these synapses that will fire all at the same time, and then you can have the picture of what contact tango could be, if you see what I mean. But to have that input from whatever brain or whatever intention there is to fire all at once, so that there is this action in my head. I can see it in myself. But so this week is part of that process, and I can see sometimes you have little sparks, you know.